tell. Long ago, in the magical Highlands of Scotland, the lands were ruled by a king and queen who struggled to keep peace with the warlike Highland lords. At the same time, Queen Eleanor was also trying to keep the peace with her own teenage daughter, Merida.
Merida, what an unusual name.
Well, Merida is an unusual and very independent young princess. A skilled archer, Merida was determined to carve her own path in life. Though she knew it was her royal duty to uphold the traditions of the kingdom, Merida wanted to change her fate. You see,
some say our destiny is tied to the land, as much a part of us as we are of it. Others say fate is woven together like a cloth, so that one's destiny intertwines with many others. It's the one thing we search for or fight to change. Some never find it, but there are some who are led. I became a sister to 3 new brothers, the princes, Hamish, Hubert, and Harris. Wee devils, more like. They get away with murder. I can never get away with anything. I'm the princess. I've got duties, responsibilities, expectations. My whole life is planned out. Preparing for the day I become, well, my mother. She's in charge of every single day of my life. Hi, Robin, jolly Robin, and thou shalt know my roach. Nay, and thou shalt know my...
Nancy, you must be understood from anywhere in the room, or it's all for naught.
This is all for naught.
I heard that. The princess must be knowledgeable about her kingdom. Rises early, is compassionate, patient, cautious, clean, and above all, a princess strives for, well, perfection.
But every once in a while, there's a day when I don't have to be a princess. No lessons, no expectations, a day where anything can happen. A day I can change my fate.